Hey, I'm Susan Berkley. This is the Inside Voiceover video training blog. This week we're going to talk about how to practice. Now, you might resist practice. You might be a little traumatized like I was as a kid, where your parents forced you to spend hours and hours practicing the piano while all your friends were outside playing and you couldn't do it. But voiceover is different, and I tell you, I'm going to give you a fun way to practice that's going to pay off big time. And it's a method I call tape and ape. And here's how this works. You go online, you turn on YouTube, and you record some commercials. Or you can do this off of television or radio. Then you transcribe the commercials, and if you're doing it on YouTube, you just turn on closed caption for the hearing impaired, and you'll see the transcript of the spot right there on your screen. So you've got your script now, and you have the way that the professional voice artist, the person who was paid for it, did it. So you play it, and you copy that voiceover artist word by word, line by line. And it doesn't matter if they're the opposite sex. It doesn't matter if it's a voice completely different than yours. You will learn a ton. Because remember, that other person got paid for doing the job, right? So you might as well emulate them. So try this tape and ape for me for about a week, and then write to me. Let me know how it worked for you. I guarantee it's going to really help you grow and learn voiceover. Susan Berkley here, and I'll be back next week with more Inside Voiceover.